Unexpected income sounds like good news, and it can be. But sometimes, if someone with a disability gets a sum of money unexpectedly, that windfall could end up being a real problem. Here's why. Some disability benefits programs have an asset limit of $2,000. Having unexpected money come your way could also mean suddenly having more money than a program allows, and that could reduce or interrupt benefits. And even if government benefits aren't a factor, there's a risk the money could be misspent by someone who doesn't manage money well. Either way, unexpected money can be preserved and protected. A self-funded special needs trust with the Arc of Northern Virginia is an effective way to be ready for the unexpected and to have a solid plan for the future. We're experts at managing special needs trusts, and that's why more than 1,700 individuals have their special needs trusts with us.
The greatest strengths of the Arc of Northern Virginia is their experience and their expertise in the special needs arena. They're not going to make a mistake in a distribution and bump somebody off of public benefits.
I think the biggest value that we see as having ARC as the manager is the fact that they really understand all the different needs that Brandon might have. And I think that was huge for us.
Here are some basics. A special needs trust is a legal arrangement that sets aside assets for a beneficiary, someone with a disability. A trusted person, a trustee, manages the money for the beneficiary with a disability. As a result, the amount of money in a trust does not affect someone's eligibility for benefits with asset limits. A self-funded trust is called for when assets are in the name of the person with special needs. The assets might come from an unexpected inheritance or a legal settlement, such as a personal injury award. It could be child support for someone who has turned 18. It could be spousal support after a divorce. Sometimes money comes from the U.S. Military Survivor Benefit Program, or as a lump sum payment of Social Security benefits. And of course, you could win the lottery. There are several people who can set one up. The beneficiary himself or herself, their parents or grandparents, or a guardian can do this. Someone with financial power of attorney for the beneficiary can do it too. At times, the court may order the creation of a self-funded trust. Even before the trust is created, a critical decision is choosing someone to manage it. It's complicated, tricky, and time-consuming. Our solution is to split the duties of a trustee in two. Our team at the Arc of Northern Virginia takes on the role of manager, handling day-to-day spending decisions. Our partner KeyBank serves as trustee, minding checks and bill paying, as well as long-term investing. It's a powerful combination, and all of our more than 1,700 special needs trusts are set up with the Arc as manager and KeyBank as trustee. Having two sets of professionals on your side pays off from day one.
The rules in special needs area change constantly, and somebody that is not familiar enough with the special needs arena is not going to be able to keep up to date on those rules.
It's a very complex process to go through, and when you're doing it on an emergency basis or when you're in a crisis, it's even more stressful.
We'd love to talk to you about setting up a trust for you or a loved one with a disability. We serve people in Virginia, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and areas beyond. Our trust program is open to people with any disability. Here's how to get in touch.